Namaste and happy Tihar everyone. So welcome back to my channel. So today I've created this colorful makeup look especially for Tihar. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. So as always, I'm going to start with my clean and moisturized face. As a moisturizer, I'm going to take this LENEIGE moisturizer. If you guys have a normal to dry skin, then this moisturizer is perfect for you. And for the foundation, I'm going to take this Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. It's in the shade number 3. And again, I'm going to bounce with my beauty blender. So for the concealer, I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So as you guys know, this is my favorite concealer. So I always use this concealer, especially under my eye area, forehead, a little bit on my chin and nose as well, just to highlight my face. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Laura Mercier setting powder to set my concealer. Okay, so moving on to my eyes, I'm going to take this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil and I'm in number 3. So I'm going to say plus fill my eyebrow like as usual. So now I'm going to use this Benefit Gimme Brow to give some volume to my brows. So for my eyes, I'm going to take this shade from JUVIAS palette as my transition color. So now I'm going to, there's Simric behind me. So taking this brown color from Benefit Neutral Eyeshadow palette just to deepen up that crease. So now I'm going to take this peachy gold from the same eyeshadow palette and applying all over my eyelid. Okay, so I'm going to take this Revlon black kajal and applying as a liner. So now again I'm going to take that same eyeshadow palette and taking that darkest shade from the palette, I'm going to smudge my liner with my pencil brush. So now I'm going to use the concealer on my flat brush to make that liner a little bit sharper. So to make this look a little bit colorful, I'm going to use this green eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and again I'm going to use that same black kajal from Revlon on my lower waterline. So back to my face, I'm going to use this Benefit HOLA bronzer to contour my face, especially my nose, cheekbone and chin. So now I'm going to take this blusher from Benefit, especially on my apple of my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, chin and forehead as well. So I think it's a little bit too much, so I blend it with my wet beauty blender. And again I'm going to take my favorite highlighter. It's a Wet n Wild creamy highlighter and applying on my highest point of my face, including my inner corner, nose and a little bit on my cheekbone as well. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take this MILANI lipstick. It's on the shade Precious, and I think you guys already know this is my go-to favorite lipstick because this is kind of pinkish nude color and goes well with pretty much with everything. So yeah, so now you can add bindi, chura or whatever you want to add and you are ready to go. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.